Hey Emma, how's it going?
Hey Alex. All good. Just trying to improve my English speaking skills. Got any tips?
Oh, lots. First off, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Totally. I always feel nervous, though. Any advice on that?
Practice with friends. Like, have casual conversations. The more you talk, the more comfortable you'll get.
Yeah, that makes sense. What about vocabulary? I want to sound more natural.
Read and watch a lot in English. Books, movies, shows. You'll pick up new words and phrases naturally.
Got any favorite shows for learning English?
Friends is a classic. It's funny and the language is pretty every day.
Love that show. What about speaking exercises? Any good ones?
Try shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say, trying to match their speed and intonation.
Sounds fun. I gotta try that. What about pronunciation? Sometimes I feel like I sound weird.
Record yourself speaking. It's a bit awkward at first, but you'll hear what you need to work on.
Oh, that's a good idea. Any specific apps or tools you recommend?
Yeah, there are lots. Duolingo, Babbel, even YouTube has great channels for learning English.
I use Duolingo. It's pretty cool. What about speaking with natives?
Definitely. Language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk are great for that.
Awesome. I'll check those out. Thanks, Alex.
No problem, Emma. Anytime you want to practice, just let me know.
Will do. Oh, and one last thing. Any tips for thinking in English?
Start small. Label things in your house in English and try to think about your daily routine in English.
That's clever. I'll start doing that. Thanks again, Alex.
Anytime, Emma. Happy practicing.
So, Alex, any more tips for sounding more natural when speaking English?
Yeah, use contractions. They make your speech sound more fluent. Instead of I am, say I'm.
Right, like you're instead of you are. What about slang? Should I learn it?
Definitely. Slang makes you sound like a native speaker. Just be careful with it. Some slang can be really local.
Gotcha. Any favorite slang words you use a lot?
Cool is a classic. And awesome. Also, hang out for spending time with friends.
Cool, awesome, and hang out. Got it. What about filler words? I've heard they're useful.
Yep, they help you sound more natural. Words like and like.
Oh, I use like a lot already. Guess I'm on the right track. How do I avoid translating in my head?
Immerse yourself in English as much as possible. The more you hear and use it, the less you'll translate.
Immersion, got it. What about speaking speed? Sometimes I talk too fast and mess up.
Don't worry about speed at first. Focus on being clear. Speed will come with practice.
Makes sense. Any tips for improving listening skills?
Listen to English podcasts or watch videos with subtitles. It helps you get used to different accents and speeds.
I love podcasts. Any favorites?
Try Stuff You Should Know or The English We Speak by BBC. Both are great for learners.
Awesome, I'll check those out. What about grammar? Should I focus a lot on it?
Don't stress too much about grammar. Fluency and communication are more important. Grammar will improve naturally.
Phew, that's a relief. Any last tips?
Just have fun with it. The more you enjoy learning, the faster you'll improve.
Thanks, Alex. You've been super helpful.
Anytime, Emma. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Hey, Alex, one last thing. How do I keep motivated when learning English?
Set small, achievable goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how tiny.
Like what kind of goals?
Maybe learn 5 new words a week or watch a movie without subtitles.
Oh, that sounds fun. I'll start with that. Any good movies to watch?
Try animated movies. They're usually easier to understand. Toy Story or Finding Nemo are great.
I love those movies. I'll definitely watch them. What about reading? Should I read books in English?
Absolutely. Start with something simple, like children's books or young adult novels.
Any recommendations?
Harry Potter series is a good start. The language is simple, and the story's engaging.
Perfect. I've always wanted to read those. Thanks, Alex.
No problem, Emma. Remember, enjoy the journey. Don't rush it.
I will. Thanks for all the tips. I feel much more confident now.
Glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Thanks, Alex. See you later.
See ya, Emma. Keep rocking your English.